Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows version and that you're signed in as an administrator. Next, make sure your PC is online so security services can update signatures. Once done, create a quick backup of essential files, just in case. Then open Windows Security and note which components show errors. This sets the stage for targeted fixes rather than random changes, and it avoids losing data while you repair security features. You now repair the core components. First, run Windows Update and install all pending patches, then reboot. Next, open services. MSC and confirm Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Security Center are running. If stopped, start them and set to automatic. After that, run System Integrity Tools, SFC/Scano to fix file corruption, then DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. You finish by resetting the security app and confirming it starts cleanly. Use Settings Apps Reset or run PowerShell Reset commands. Then check for third-party antivirus conflicts. Temporarily uninstall or disable them so Defender can run. Once done, make sure to run a full scan and review protection history. If problems persist, create a new administrator account and test Windows security there to isolate profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if services fail to stay running, examine Event Viewer for ACL or start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.